What a beautiful feeling. In the morning, running, increasing your heart rate and increasing your blood flow in the body. Laziness and ego kill a man. So go out of your laziness, kick the laziness and kick the ego. These two things are killers. Laziness, invitation to diseases. Take in the morning, great, beautiful. Take in the morning hot water plus half a teaspoonful of turmeric. Just gulp it inside. Bobby, Babu, Sanjana, and all the people around. Go out to park, find a forest area, find a park. The way I'm doing in the Japana forest, one of the biggest forests in Delhi, around 7 kilometers the track. Beautiful. And go running. You see old people, young people are running. Take this word for you and you will be blessed.